Hello South Africa. 2 killed in collision on the N12 in Fochville. 2 people were killed when their light motor vehicle was involved in a collision with a bakkie on the N12 in Fochville. The incident happened on Monday, June 26. According to emergency service N12, they arrived on the scene at 19:24 to find the 2 wrecked vehicles on the side of the road. On closer inspection, medics found the bodies of a man and woman lying trapped inside the light motor vehicle. Unfortunately, both patients had already succumbed to their numerous injuries and were later declared dead. The driver of the bakkie, fortunately, escaped injury. Local authorities were on the scene for further investigations, the emergency service said. In a separate incident, 2 people were killed following a collision between 2 trucks on the N12 in Ncwane in KwaZulu-Natal. The horrific accident happened in the early hours on Monday, June 26. According to the emergency service, IPSS Medical Rescue, medics arrived at the chaotic scene, with multiple injuries, and with some looting taking place in one of the trucks. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.